Hello everyone, my name is Sunita. Hope you are doing well. This is the Python program where I am using the GeoPanda library. So GeoPanda library is used for the geo-partially data, which means that we can read, write, and manipulate the data in various file formats, and also we can use it to analyze and visualize the data. So first you install the library, pip install GeoPanda, then upload this library. Now I am using the natural length lower is a URL. I have directly used the URL, so I give the path this. So this is the data set. In GeoPanda library, we can also use the CSV file, also XML file, and JSON file, and mainly and mostly use the shape file. So you also try the shapefile, because I got the problem in download the shapefile. That's why I'm directly using the URL. So shapefile is used for the .shp is a extension. Shapefile is used for the ESRI file, which gives the features of the geometrically. So shapefile mainly represent the spatially vector data. So I have mentioned the links or URL to the websites, so you can download the dataset. Now this is the word head. It means that 5 rows. It show the 5 rows, and it also show the tail. I am not using the tail. Tail means that last 5 rows. So it show the both first and last rows, and also then we use the type. Sorry, type. Which type I am data is using. So it show the data panda in data geo data frame I am using. Now I plot this how to visualize the continents and geometrical area. So it show this type. Now this is the same features, only difference is that I have given the color name is a black and white, so it show the black and white format. Now I want to calculate the areas, all these continent and geometric area. So they show the area. It's also at the column area, and these are the all continental area and geometry area it show. Now I want to extract the column. Only name and geometry show me in dataset. So it's the name and geometry. It extract the data. To hold data is extract. If you see, so it extract the data, name and geometry. Now is word geometry. Word geometry means it show the polygon and multi-polygon. Polygon means it show the shape of the data. Like we use the triangle, that we give the shape, triangle shape and square shape. Meanwhile, same we use the polygon. Polygon is showing the shape wise area. So it gives the shape and multi polygon shape. Now I want that I filter the data that how the only Africa continent it show me that is geometric area. So it show the all Africa continental all Africas, and then there is some names are also and geometrical area. Now I use the only it visualize the Africa continent. So this is the Africa continent. Only show the Africa. So, so this is the program. Hope you enjoy it. You can try also. Thank you very much.